Welcome to today's tutorial on data cleaning and pre-processing using Java. In this video, we will dive deep into essential strategies and techniques to clean and pre-process data effectively, making it ready for analysis or machine learning. Let's get started. First, let's understand what data cleaning and pre-processing are. Simply put, data cleaning involves identifying and correcting inaccuracies, inconsistencies, and missing data in datasets. Pre-processing, on the other hand, involves transforming raw data into a format that's suitable for analysis. To illustrate this, we'll be working with a sample CSV dataset, which is common in data analysis. You can find datasets on platforms like Kaggle or UCI Machine Learning Repository. In our example, we will create a small dataset with some missing values and duplicates. Next, let's load the dataset in Java. To read CSV files easily, we can use a library called OpenCSV, which you can add via Maven. Here's how to include it in your pom.xml. Now, let's write a method to parse this CSV and store our data into a list of strings. This will allow us to manipulate the data more easily. We'll now call the readCSV data method and print the data to see what we're working with. This will help us visualize any data issues. Now we can see the raw data printed in the console, including empty fields as shown for Jane and Lucy. The next step is to handle these missing values. We have several strategies to handle missing values. We can impute them, remove them, or replace them with a default value. For instance, we might want to replace missing ages with the average age. Let's implement a method for that. In the fillMissingValues method, we first calculate the average age, then we replace any empty age fields with this calculated average. Let's integrate this into our main function. Now let's run the code to see the updated data, which should display the average age for Jane and Lucy in place of the missing values. Great! We've successfully handled missing data. Next, we'll address the issue of duplicate entries. In our initial data, there are duplicate records for John. Removing duplicates is crucial to ensure our analysis isn't skewed. In this remove duplicates method, we use a hash set to track entries and filter out duplicates based on a combination of the name and age. Let's integrate this into our main function too. By running this code, we should see the duplicates removed in the output. The records for John should appear only once now. Now, let's move on to another crucial aspect of data pre-processing: text normalization. For instance, the country names might have different cases or formatting. In this normalized country method, we convert all country names to lowercase, which standardizes our data for analysis. Let's add this to the workflow. When we run the code, we will see all country names converted to lowercase, ensuring uniformity. This helps to avoid discrepancies based on case sensitivity. Another important aspect is to validate data types. In our case, we should ensure that the age field contains valid integers. In this validate data types method, we loop through each row and use a try-catch block to check if the age is a valid integer. Any invalid age will be replaced with 0. After executing this code, we'll see how invalid age entries are replaced by 0, providing us with a dataset with appropriately typed values. Finally, we might want to export our clean dataset back to a CSV format for further analysis. Let's write a method to do that using OpenCSV. The writeCSV data method takes a list of strings and a file path and writes the clean data to the specified CSV file. Let's implement this method in our main function. After running this program, you should find a new file named cleaned_data.csv in your project directory containing your clean dataset. To summarize, we've successfully covered data cleaning and pre-processing through various techniques, including handling missing values, removing duplicates, normalizing text, validating data types, and exporting clean data. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the importance of data cleaning and how to effectively use Java for this task. If you found value in this content, please like and subscribe for more programming tutorials.